Hey Capricorn, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Alright, someone has their hands over like on top of their forehead, like they're worried or like, man, why did I do this? I'm seeing that. They're frustrated, like they're kicking themselves. See, retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world, okay? Chemistry, there's a strong magnetic attraction here. New love, a new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Bottom of the deck, reconciliation, someone from your past is returning to your life. So, let's just get this out the way because y'all already know what I'm about to do. So look. I feel like right now, a lot of you guys have just been disconnecting from a lot of people. Maybe some of you guys decided to, get off of social media for a little bit. Like, just take a break, just to gather yourself, just to focus on other things. I do feel like there's a new love coming in for you if you haven't met this person yet. But there is definitely a connection. So, there's somebody new coming in for you. You dealt with them in a past life. The connection is going to be crazy, okay? Now, for others of you, I do feel like there is a past person here that you used to deal with. This person either lives at a distance from you or they are keeping their distance from you. But they understand that it's something about you that they just can't break free from. Bottom of the deck, I have the Page of Cups reversed. So, whoever I'm picking up on, they know that they were being immature. Could have been dealing with a Leo. But this person here, I feel like they're trying to have the strength to, break out of something. This person was feeling stuck in a situation. This could be them breaking out of, being quiet, staying silent. So let's see. Tell me more. They definitely want things to improve with you. But they got to make a decision. They got to make a decision. See, there's an offer here. This person views you like family. They want a family with you. But see, they're back and forth with the Fool. It's like 1 minute they're taking a leap to come towards you, but then the next minute they're not. Tell me more. Some of them, I'm wondering if some of them are in some type of family situation, living situation, something like that. Because they don't have a peace of mind right now. I feel like they're trying to break free. They're trying to be single. For some of them, they're trying to be single. For some of them, it's like they're trying to get out of some type of commitment, a contract, but they haven't removed themselves just yet. See, this person, I feel like they got to cut someone off. Yep, and that's the decision that they did make, okay? Because they do want to balance things out with you, but they could have taken some type of financial hit. Clarify the Five of Cups. Some of you, this person's upset, and it's like they're listening to their intuition right now. See, I told you, in order to balance things out, they're going to have to put an end to a situation that they were in. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. But right now, oh yeah, they can't move forward just yet. They're still going through their lessons, guys. They're going through karma. So they can't move forward just yet. Everything has been bouncing on my hand. Okay, so the way the world just came out, it's like this person's making plans to have a new opportunity with you, but right now they're afraid that it may not happen. And see, I told you, they want to turn things around with you. They definitely want things to improve, but they're having a hard time right now. Maybe for some of you, they have to physically move. They got to move. For others of you, I'm just saying that they want to move forward with you, but right now they feel like they can't. Could be dealing with a Cancer. Ooh, okay, wait. So this is why they feel like they can't move forward with you. And there you are at the bottom of the deck because, are you talking to somebody else? Remember I told you either which way I saw y'all winning? Okay, this is what I'm talking about. So, I have two kings here. It could be two women, take it however it fits. Y'all don't know how I feel about my court cards, but the fact that you're right here at the bottom of the deck, you're like, you know what? I'm minding my business. I've been healing. I'm moving forward. I could, definitely have options right now. Or if I'm not talking to anybody, by the time this knucklehead wants to come back in, I have somebody else. So now I have to make the decision. And now the past person is freaking out because they're like, well, dang, I want to move forward with this person, but too little too late, because they could be dealing with someone else. See, I told you there's an offer coming in. There's an offer coming in. And this person's upset. They do not want to lose you. See, they got to move fast. But they're back and forth because they're trying their best not to be frustrated, but they're frustrated because they feel like they're getting ready to lose you to somebody else. Oh, this is getting good, guys. They're starting to feel like they're not going to have a happy home with you. See, they want to move forward with you. They want to start over and build with you. They see happiness with you, Capricorn. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm saying this two ways, so let's just throw it out there. Okay. For some of you, the reason why, outside of this other person coming into your life, I feel like they're afraid that you're not going to take them back, because this person could have got caught up in a situation to where they have a child with someone else, or someone's pregnant, or they're getting ready to give birth. It's something like that, and I'm seeing a little boy, like a baby boy. So that could be why they're frustrated, because they want this new beginning with you. They want to talk to you, you know, but now your guard is up because of this third party situation that they now have. You know, remember I told you I saw something with like home, family, living, you know, so there might be a baby involved here. Now, for others of you, I feel like this person wants to have a child with you. So they may, I ain't gonna lie to you, they may be trying to come back getting you knocked up, okay? Or the other way around, like, you know, whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But I'm seeing a little boy here. I'm seeing a little boy. But others of you, I'm gonna throw this out there. Remember I told you there's somebody else coming in. I feel like this person is afraid that you're going to move forward with this person, and now maybe you're either pregnant or you're going to get yourself pregnant by this new person. Y'all, it's so too many y'all. All right, we're going to keep going. But you see what I'm saying? I'm saying there's a baby here. There's a baby. See, and they're saying that this person, even though they feel like you're going to come off harsh to them, they're getting out their head. They got to tell you the truth. So see what I'm saying? It might be something on their end. Tell me more. There's another woman. Look, I told y'all, there is another woman. The sun just tried to scoot on. I'm telling y'all, there's a baby here. There's a baby. And I'll put it to you like this. If this baby hasn't been born yet, somebody is either pregnant with the baby, and it could be a little boy, or there will be a pregnancy because this person didn't do what they were supposed to do to remove themselves out of a situation. Yep. They're coming out of being frustrated. Look, they want to give you an offer, but they're having a hard time right now because I feel like they're going to have to give to this other person. Yep, this was didn't I just say they didn't do what they were supposed to do? This is a lesson. They're going through a lesson right now. Some of you guys, let me back up. Somebody could be dealing with another Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Yeah, truth is coming out. This person has to speak their truth. Tell me more. Could be dealing with an Aries. Why is the Emperor here? They want stability with you. The seeds they planted with you, they want them to grow. I'm seeing they're making a decision. They don't want you to walk away. Okay. But they got to end something first. Some of them feel like you don't want to be with them. See, they're worried about their money. This person's going to have to give to someone. I feel like there's a child involved here. Whoever I'm talking to, there is a child. See, and that's why this person is focusing on their money. See, because right now they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. So you're going to get an offer from this person, but the thing is, it's a small offer. It's small. They have to take care of this other situation first. See? They're going through a tower moment. I told you. They're going through a tower moment where it's forcing them to make a change. So let me just put it out there. All children are blessings, okay? But with the situation that I feel like this person put themselves in, I'm honestly feeling like somebody got someone else pregnant, or someone got pregnant by someone else, and they've been getting the signs to get away from this person, and they were not listening. So now it took for a baby you know, coming into the picture to where this person's like, okay, now I got to get it together. That's why I saw them worried about their money. And see, now they're confident about making this change, but the thing is, they're still worried, you know, about this home or this family situation. See, it's like they're coming out of being frustrated and they're trying to heal things, and they're wanting to heal things with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but they got to make a decision. Yep. They got to make a decision. And see, this person, they're confident about removing themselves from a third-party situation. But the thing is, I told you, there's some type of mother figure here. I'm telling you. And see, even the way the Ten of Pentacles came out, they know they hurt you. They want to be with you, but there's somebody else that they have to give to, because I think there is definitely a child here. See, and I'm seeing they're going to make a decision. You know, when it comes down to this third-party situation, they want to ask you out. They want to celebrate with you. But the problem is, financially, they're worried. They don't know what's going to take place. See, there's the Hierophant reverse. First of all, they feel like if they give you an offer, you're not going to want to be with them. But this person has to get out of some type of situation with someone else. See, somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. But there's fear here that this person has, you know, because, again, they didn't do right by you. They didn't balance things out with you. Now, right now, their life is just, it's a mess in their eyes. Look at that. See, they were running in and out of your life, being a player, and they got caught up. Ooh. I thought I was going to make it all day without having to talk about spell work and magic and voodoo, all that stuff. But no. So this was a situation. So for some of you guys, I feel like your person was in a situation where there was whether they did it or, you know, someone that they were dealing with, they were doing some type of spell work or magic on them. And I feel like this person is breaking out of it. But you guys are like, you know what? That's fine. I'm focusing on myself. You're like, I'm focusing on myself, but this person, they're watching you. They're keeping tabs on you because, see, they left you out in the cold. See, they stabbed you in the back so many times. Yeah, this person, I feel like, yeah, they were under something. And they're frustrated right now. They're like, how did I let it get this far? You know, and that's why I feel like they're wanting to talk to you about putting an end to some type of family situation because, see, they want to have a victory with you. This person loves you. Could be dealing with a Gemini. See, I told you, it's family. I told you, there is some type of family situation going on. This person, I'm telling you, they want a family with you, and they know they're going to have to work really hard to win you back. But, see, this is going to take some time. This is not something that's going to move fast. Yeah, see, look at that. They can't. Somebody is responsible for taking care of a home situation, a family situation, but there's a lot of regret, you know, that they have messing things up with you because now they're afraid that things will not improve with you because of what they did in the past, because of this family situation. Ooh, that was deep. That was deep. Okay. I told y'all I saw someone, like, putting their hands on their forehead, their face, like, ooh, okay. Bottom of the deck, I have the Ace of Wands reversed. So you guys are looking at this person like, you know what? I don't want a new beginning with him or her. Yep, because they took too long. They were dragging their feet, you know, to come towards me to make a decision. So see, look at that. And it came out hard. You guys are like, you know what? I freed myself from them because I don't see anything improving. I don't want to have to go through this again. Yep, they weren't giving me the offer that I want. So that was the decision that I made. The decision was to get out of this situation. And look at that. You learned your lesson. You're moving on. You're like, no, I'm not going through that again. See, because it was like every time I gave them an offer, they rejected me. So now you guys are like, you know, if they come back giving me an offer, you're not playing a tit for tat. It's more so like, I don't trust you. I don't have time for this. You guys are like, I don't want to build with you anymore. I don't see myself being in a commitment with you. Getting married to you. Oh my God. I knew it. You guys are the fourth sign today. The Hierophant and the High Priestess have been together.